सा शब्द जिसको सुनते ही दिल में खट्टी मीठी यादें उतर आती हैं, और वही दोस्त जब आपको आपकी जिंदगी का पर्पस फाइंड करने में हेल्प करे तो वो स्पेशल हो जाता है। गुड मॉर्निंग वन एंड ऑल, माय नेम इज शिखा मोदी। Let me share a story of how a homemaker found her passion and became a full-time nutritionist. My lifelong passion for health and nutrition led me to start my own brand called Healthy Mama. This venture was born out of my desire to share the benefits of healthy lifestyle with others. I have been practicing yoga and nutrition since long. However, recognizing the need to deepen my knowledge, I enrolled the CFL course at IGNOU. This decision set me on a new path that would significantly enrich my understanding and practices in nutrition and wellness. It was during this course at IGNOU that I met Jyoti Chaudhary, a like-minded individual whose profound knowledge and enthusiasm for nutrition greatly impressed me. Our conversations often revolved around a shared interest, and it was through these engaging discussions that Jyoti introduced me to Go Nature, an organization dedicated to promoting holistic health and naturopathy. Joining Go Nature was like unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge. The learning environment was fascinating and energizing, and it made me realize that education truly knows no age limits. It was here that I encountered Vishal Sir, whose expertise in naturopathy and dedication to teaching are incredibly inspiring. He didn't just impart knowledge about health, he also emphasized the importance of emotional and spiritual well-being as integral components of overall health. Under Vishal's mentorship, I transitioned from a gold membership to a diamond membership. And to further deepen my engagement with the practices and principles of naturopathy, I not only addressed my own health concerns, but also gained the knowledge and confidence to help others. Despite lacking a medical background, Vishal Sir equipped me with simple yet powerful techniques to serve those in need. He truly embodies the heart of a coach. He always ready to provide guidance and support whenever needed. And as they say, whenever the student is ready, the teacher appears. And Vishal Sir has been the guiding light in my journey. And as he says, nothing in this universe is by chance. I must have manifested this journey before. His approach highlighted the power of the body to heal itself, often minimizing the need for medication. This holistic perspective was a game changer for me. We were also taught to manage our finances, which is a vast topic. At one point of a time, life had become very monotonous for me. After waking up in the morning, was horrifying. And barefoot walk was a challenge for me. In the morning, after waking up, I used to think whether I would be able to walk today properly or not, as the corn in my feet used to hurt a lot. Due to varicose veins, I couldn't stand for long hours. So, energy levels were low. But I reversed all these, and here I am standing in front of you. Vishal, through his name, is expansive and kind-hearted. He's been like Krishna in my life, guiding my chariot with purpose. Like Arjuna, you just have to surrender. I acknowledge him as Google Baba for all advice, as you must be all doing. He is the Google Baba. Like today's generation is asking everything from Google Baba. He touched the chord of self-love, which I think many people don't follow. His morning sessions of power breathing and mindfulness makes you energetic and calm from inside. जब तक आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करेंगे, तब तक आप औरों से भी प्यार नहीं कर सकते. And the best part is his playlist, which all you are aware of. All these sessions end with inspiring and beautiful songs. Gratitude and forgiveness are his favorites. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to Jyoti, a golden light whose introduction to Go Nature was a turning point in my life. Her positive energy and unwavering support have been a constant source of strength. Appreciation fills my heart as I reflect on the wisdom, knowledge, expertise, and encouragement Jyoti has provided me as my health coach. Thank you for being a source of empowerment and enlightenment. A special bond has been developed between us. I look forward to keep learning from Go Nature and associated with them. At Go Nature, you will find an incredibly supportive community that will embrace you with open arms if you reach out. You will reap the rewards from the seeds you plant along the journey. Sometimes, God sends us angels disguised as friends. Thank you.
Awesome. Was it amazing? So everybody stand up and give a standing ovation to Shikha. India is changing. We have speakers for India is changing, the world is changing. We have speakers from IT sector, business people, and the world is now coming on stage and talking about naturopathy. Right?
Yes.
So thank you so much. Thank you, Shikha. She is amazing. She's amazing. I'm telling you guys, in coming days, the world is going to witness one of a very great nutritionist, and he will be one of it. Right? You all will be. And Shikha, since you are here, I'm telling you that you have to change the world with your knowledge. Right? Awesome. Thank you.